In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit and withdraw funds from your Vantage account. This process is essential for effectively managing your investments, whether you're depositing new capital or withdrawing profits. So let's dive in and simplify this process for you. First, you need to navigate to the Vantage Markets website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. Ensure that your login details are secure and up to date to avoid any access issues. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the deposit button. Click on it to initiate the process of adding funds to your account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to deposit. Make sure this amount aligns with your financial strategy. Once you've decided on an appropriate amount, confirm your decision by clicking the Continue button. This will lead you to the next important step, selecting your preferred deposit method. This could be via credit card, e-wallet, or bank transfer, among other options. Choose the method that best suits your needs and follow the on-screen instructions specific to your selected payment method. Before finalizing the transaction, it's crucial to review all entered details. Double-check accuracy to avoid any mistakes, then click Confirm or Submit to proceed. Depending on your choice of payment method, you'll either be redirected to a payment gateway for cards and e-wallets, or you'll be shown bank details if you've opted for a wire transfer. Once you complete this process, the final step is to wait patiently for the funds to appear in your account. The timing can vary depending on the chosen deposit method. Be assured the funds will reflect once the transaction is complete. Moving on to how you can withdraw funds from your Vantage account, start by clicking on the Funds option found in the top menu. From here, select the Withdrawal tab to initiate a withdrawal process. You'll need to input the withdrawal amount. Be sure that this amount adheres to your financial planning and click Continue to advance. After specifying the amount, you'll choose your preferred withdrawal method. Typically, Vantage will send withdrawals back to the same method you used for depositing due to anti-money laundering regulations. It's worth noting that Vantage is quite efficient with processing withdrawals, usually completing requests within one business day. This quick turnaround ensures you have timely access to your funds when needed. There you have it, a straightforward guide to managing deposits and withdrawals in your Vantage account. Keeping these steps in mind will help ensure smooth financial transactions and maintain a robust investment strategy. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more insightful content.